2 days after two minors were raped in the national capital, politics has peaked over the rising crimes in the state. Today, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has called a cabinet meeting on women's safety, where he will press for his government's control over the Delhi police. Mahila Congress will also take out protest march against twin rape cases in Delhi today. On Sunday, Aam Aadmi Party workers took to streets and clashed with the police, threatening to intensify the agitation if Delhi police fail to contain the crimes. Kejriwal attacked Prime Minister Modi, saying he is not Sheila Dikshit and he won't let Modi sleep over this issue.
प्रधानमंत्री जी समझ ले, मैं शीला दीक्षित नहीं हूँ, मैं चुप नहीं बैठने वाला। अगर दिल्ली के अंदर महिलाएं सुरक्षित नहीं हुई, अगर दिल्ली के अंदर बलात्कार होते रहे, प्रधानमंत्री जी को चैन से सोने नहीं देंगे हम लोग।
इस तरीके की रेप पर राजनीति करना, ये जिस तरीके की घिनौनी हरकत है शायद और कोई नहीं करता। और मैं एक और चीज बताता हूँ, जितने बर्बादी का काम कोई रेपिस्ट करता है रेप में, उतना ही आदमी जिम्मेवार है जो इस पर राजनीति करता है। कर रहे हैं क्या? बिल्कुल राजनीति कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, सरकार को खास करके महिला सुरक्षा के मुद्दे पर बहुत संवेदनशील होना चाहिए। और डे वन से जब से ये सरकार आई है, जो वायदे दिल्ली के लोगों से उन्होंने किए थे, खास करके महिला सुरक्षा को लेकर के, उसमें ये सरकार गंभीर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। इस तरह की घटनाएं अगर दिल्ली में होती है तो निश्चित रूप से इसकी कड़ी निंदा की जानी चाहिए। पुलिस का जो रोल है, सरकार का जो रोल है, उन सबको अपना इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करके उस रोल के बारे में सोचना चाहिए।
Let's go across now to Anusha Soni, who joins us for more on this story. Morning, Anusha. It seems that someone's tragedy, a personal tragedy, has now been converted completely into a political fight over who will control Delhi police.
Absolutely correct, Sanket. And what the sad part of this tragedy is the fact that an issue like women's security has always been a political issue in the national capital. Kejriwal's government is talking about using the women's security issue as a method to get control of the Delhi police. But you and me know for very well that legally speaking and constitutionally speaking, it's very difficult for the Delhi government to press for any legal method to go ahead. The cabinet meeting has been called today, and one of the key issues that would be discussed is that can and how the Delhi government go ahead and get the control of the Delhi police. However, this entire mindset from the Delhi government about once they get the control, they can stop it. Experts have been questioning the fact that that's not exactly the way to go ahead and tackle rape. The last point I think we must remember is the fact that the CCTV cameras to be installed in the entire Delhi, that's still a project that the Kejriwal government needs to complete.
Anusha Soni there. Many thanks for joining us. Now in Nanglo,